Well, I brought up my little toy today. And it's a little bit breezy at times here. But we're going to see. I'm trying to hold my head so you guys can picture this thing. Picture it, see it, you know what I mean. So, I know the camera's aimed a little higher so you can see the road and the bike. There we go. Like I say, it's kind of windy. Ooh, I kind of can't see the fucking thing now. Okay. Get it so I'm not looking straight here. Fucking into the sun. I'm not very good at flying this thing.
Okay, I kind of stopped. I wanted to get some scenic view of this river with the little cheap drone I got. But apparently I should have charged the battery a little bit in it. Because I did have one pass over the river. As you can see it going now. And I didn't get any footage because when the battery died, I didn't have time to shut record off before it was done. So it goes over there, it catches a bit of wind, and then all of a sudden I'm like, oh, and then it plummets down towards the river and it landed about 2 feet from going in the water. You'll see when I go to retrieve it in a minute. Anyway, I'm not having very good luck lately with electronic stuff. I guess I was lucky it didn't go right into the river because it'd have been done.
Whoa, wind. At least it didn't go in the river. I think my battery died. That was close to putting it in the river. The wind caught it there and took off. I think it might have got a little bit out of range where the batteries are low in it. I was trying to get it to come back and I got it far enough it didn't land in the river. And that is what I bought a cheap toy one for. No, that's what happened. The battery died. That's why she would crash. Well, there we go. A little bit of footage. And a crash footage again. It's okay. It's only a cheap piece of junk. Like I said, that's why I didn't spend a lot of money on it. I'd hate to spend, the expensive ones like $1,000 or more, and then dunk it in the river there. That wouldn't be fun at all. It wouldn't be fun at all. Alrighty. Well, for some more interesting stuff, let's go for a bike ride. And I hope I got this thing on today properly. As long as I don't forget to hit save before I shut the stupid camera off. Like yesterday. There, old Kermit's humming. Yeah, that was awful close to dunking her in the river. Guess I should have made sure to have full charge before I come to play. Oh well. All in a day's fun. What are we looking at here? properly this morning. Anyway, I'll pop back on in a bit, and when we get something a little more interesting. Take care, guys.